I'm Lisa, and today I am going to talk to you about brush techniques for eyeshadow. Brushes come in all different shapes and sizes, and sometimes it can be a little difficult to decode them or know what brush is for what you need to do. So I'm going to try to help you with that today. So I'm going to first talk to you about our Eye Basic brush. This brush has two sides. It has a flat side, which I like to pat color down with, and then it has a tapered side on the other side that is really nice for softening or for blending. So I'm going to today use our Pangolin in the Vanishing Species collection, and I am going to use the flat side to pat that color on my eyelid. And then I'm going to flip it and use the tapered side to soften and blend it so I have no hard edges. Then I'm going to use our eye definer brush, which is a beautifully domed brush. It's just so soft and wonderful. This brush you can use even without eyeshadow, or put all your eyeshadow on, and if you want to blend it, you can go in little circular motions all around and it will give your eye a very soft focused look. Today I am going to use it in the crease of my eye with Olivia, our Mermaid shadow. And I'm going to find my brow bone and go back and forth in the orbital bone like a windshield wiper to define my crease. Now if I found that was too heavy, I could just go in little circles and buff it out, and everything would look really nice and natural. I'm then going to use our eye blend brush, which has short, very dense bristles that are a little bit stiffer, so you can get a lot of control with it. Today what I'd like to do actually is I'd like to go back with my Pangolin and use this brush to really lay on a little bit more color on my eyelid. And again, I'm going to pat it because I decided I wanted a little bit more drama there. And you can also use this brush because it does lay down so nicely right underneath the brow bone, and you get it's very precise. So it's very precise and easy to use. And on the tip of this brush, like the tippy tip, it's kind of domed, and you can use that underneath the eye to create a very soft, smudged look. And that's really, really pretty. And lastly, we have our eyeliner brush. This is an angled brush. The brush is also a little bit stiffer, so it's very easy to work with. You can apply your eyeliner like maybe many of you do, just apply it with your pencil, and then you can go over it with the eyeliner to soften it. Or I like to just actually take the brush and brush over my eyeliner pencil and then go over and lay it down by my lashes. And this way it creates a little bit of a softer line. And then for a little bit more drama, I will go with my Starfish, the darker color, and go right underneath. And you'll see now it actually looks more like a line, not just that little soft whisper of color. So I hope I helped to explain eyeshadow brushes to you and you have a deeper understanding. We have a lot of wonderful, wonderful tips on our Chantecaille website as well as our Chantecaille YouTube channel. So check us out. We'd love to see you there. Have a great day. Thank you.